Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make moving zoom effect in CapCut special for PC. So to the point, go to media and import your videos or photos that you like to edit, and for example add to the track, and you can add the overlay, put on top another clip. So I'm going to remove the background of the overlay. Right. So how to make it move and zoom? It's also very simple. Select basic and select keyframe. Just add keyframe button, click and swipe to the right. Move the object and resize. So do as before, resize. Right. Move the object and then resize. So this is final effect. So that's how you can create the moving. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.